Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with a really exciting work from home job lead opportunity for you. This one is from Amazon. Now, I've always said if you have been working different customer service jobs or any different other jobs, and you have developed your skill set and experience throughout the years, getting into some kind of leadership role, whether it be team lead, supervisor, management, is the best thing to do because that's where the higher salaries are at. And that is what we have today. Amazon is hiring a customer service manager. Now, this is for the United States only, and it is a virtual work from home position. If you're interested in applying, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. Amazon partners with a bunch of different brands, and that is what they have done here. They have partnered with the brand Blink, which was the result of one of their most successful crowdfunding campaigns to date. And so now Blink is part of the Amazon devices family, just like the Echo and all the other things. It brings you to the Kindle Fire tablets, Fire TV, and Echoes, all of those things. They are looking for a customer service manager to help focus on all aspects of customer satisfaction and care. And of course, you'll be supervising the global customer service and technical support teams. So the manager will help to develop and implement customer service procedures, policies, and standards. So where regular customer service representatives take the inbound phone calls and do the customer service, as a manager, you will be overseeing the people that do that, and you will be helping to make that process better. You'll come up with ideas for policies and procedures that they need to follow. You'll measure the customer satisfaction and, of course, find ways to improve the service that is given. Now, you will also have to communicate with customers via phone, email, and chat because I know I've called in before and I'm just not getting the answers that I need, and I've asked to speak to a supervisor or manager. You'll also analyze statistics and other data to determine the level of service your team is providing. And of course, you'll organize schedules and work assignments to meet business needs. So even though you will be on the phone occasionally helping out with customer service, you will not be inbound taking phone calls 24/7. You are more managing the team that is doing that. They are looking for someone who has 3 years of experience in a contact center support manager role. So if you've ever been a team lead or anything like that, anytime you have built up some kind of leadership skills, they want someone who has experience working in planning or budget management and experience building teams or employee development plans. Now, of course, they have some preferred qualifications such as a bachelor degree, but that is not actually required. Now, they do pay very well. Of course, pay is going to be dependent on your location and experience, but pay starts off at $51,400 a year and goes all the way up to $129,300 a year. If you get an interview and an offer, please make sure you're negotiating that salary, as they have it worked in their budget to pay up to $129,000 a year. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.